Hello everyone, it's Heather and I'm here at the Hilton Hotel at Heathrow Airport in London. We are only here for one night and we weren't actually originally planning to stay here. We were going to be staying at the Premier Inn where we stayed the whole time we were in London until tomorrow morning, but it was definitely a very good thing that we decided to switch tonight because it took us 2 hours in a taxi to get here because of
3 hours.
It was like 3 hours. It was a really long time because of very bad traffic and flooding on the roadways because there was a torrential downpour thunderstorm all afternoon and evening. Our flight's not till 9:40, but I always recommend for an international flight you should get there at least 3 hours ahead of time, which would mean we'd have to be over there at 6:40. We have another taxi scheduled for 6:15 in the morning to take us over to Terminal 3 where Delta leaves from. She booked us that at the front desk and she said it's going to be 27 pounds. I had a very difficult time finding rooms around Heathrow Airport that had enough bed configuration for us. This was one of the only ones I could find. It's very difficult to even find a hotel with 2 beds. So even though I always complain about like the two queen bed configuration at American hotels, I've actually had a very difficult time finding hotels with 2 beds, period, here in London, which is really strange. This was the best I could find. It was very expensive. I actually did get a Hilton Honors sale. So it was 404 British pounds. But that turned out to be, with the exchange rate and everything right now, it was $494 is what I'm paying for the one night here. This is a very nice full service Hilton hotel. If I get a chance, I'll show you. There's a nice big bright lobby with a big atrium and there's a full service restaurant which we're gonna go eat at in a little bit and all of that. It's a very, very nice Hilton hotel, but I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to show you any of the rest of it, so I'm just gonna show you these rooms right now. We have 2 connecting rooms, which is considered like a family connecting setup. So, okay, so we're in rooms 180 and 178. I'll show you out in the hall real quick and then I'll bring you back in here. Okay, so we're on the ground floor. The lobby is right there. So we're just a little ways from the lobby. And we have, I like these cool planes on the room numbers. So 178 is that room, and 180 is that room, and the hall continues on down that way. And so we have both rooms. Okay, so, oh geez. The door, the connecting door only opens this far. So this door hit it, but we're gonna wanna keep that. And you can see it's a pretty simple layout. There is a little cover for the peephole. There is also, thank you, Ben. No, turn it on, please. There is also a hanging for if you want in-room breakfast and privacy hanger thing right on the back of the door here. Right when you come into this bathroom, or to this room, there is a bathroom with a solid closing door. Closes all the way firmly, very nice. It's kind of narrow though. A very modern, redone, nice black granite tile, cool modern sink. We've got the Crabtree and Evelyn products. There's a makeup mirror right here. There's a nice big lighted mirror over the sink. Modern sink, plenty of counter space. That's the bath mat, and a nice glass walk-in shower, which we'll probably all use. Little trash can on the toilet. Toilet paper's over there. Okay.
Got American and EU outlets.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So we won't have to use our
airport.
adapter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and there's a luggage rack here and climate control. And I really like this cool Europe artwork here. There's a full-length mirror over here. And then there's one, looks like a queen bed. And so we're actually giving Ben this room. And then there's a nightstand with a lamp. There's like an individual little reading light there. They even put a glass for water like next to the bed. There's an alarm clock. They did recognize me for my Hilton Gold status when I checked in. There's some extra storage space up on the top of the closet there. Plenty of room to hang stuff, and there's an ironing board in here. Don't see the iron, but I'm sure it's around somewhere. And the light turned on automatically when I opened the closet door. Yeah, there's the iron over here. And then you have a hair dryer and then a shelf with laundry stuff if you need to send laundry out. There's a safe. This is like cruise ship storage, man. We could have really used this at our last hotel. Our last hotel was definitely inadequate for space and storage. 2 more shelves and then 3 drawers down on the bottom as well. Yeah, this would have been, well, it would have been terrible to get into things though. Yeah, and then there's this cool bar setup thing here. It's got, what is that for?
I don't, like,
glasses or?
But this turns on.
Oh. Anybody know what this is? We have no idea what this is. Okay.
Show off your winery.
Oh, and there's a mini bar. It does not have anything in it, so it doesn't even really feel like it's on. Not sure about that. Okay, oh, what's this? Oh, and there's your coffee stuff, your kettle, your ice bucket, cups. That's cool. And then there's a big TV with a remote and a nice big desk space for working. And there's another little mirror here. And like Ben said, there's both American, European, and British outlets. So that's really nice. And a little desk lamp, which doesn't turn.
Oh, it does.
Oh, it does. It has. It's a delay.
You broke it.
I broke it. Okay, and then there's a cool kind of retro mid-century modern armchair here and a funky black table.
Oh.
Okay, we can't figure out the line. And another, there it goes. And another bedside light, another individual reading light, another glass for water, notepad and a phone, and USB. Was there a USB on that side, Ben? Yes. And lots of switches.
Nice. So we can all charge our
Yeah,
phones.
we can all charge our phones next to the beds. We don't even need the adapter. And then out the window, we're looking at, I'm guessing that's maybe the Holiday Inn, it looks like, over there. And maybe the airport terminal and parking lot. Assembly point? Like, are we on a ship? I don't know. That's weird.
That'd be a great ship room.
Yeah, it would. All right, then
On to the another one.
this was 180. Over here I'm 178. So same thing. See, there's 2 doors, so you could each lock each side, but they only open this far. So that's a little tricky as far as opening the door. Okay, same thing. The bathroom, I can't figure out the lights. One thing I don't like about English bathrooms is the light switches are outside.
Yeah.
They're really finicky about their electricity in Britain. Okay, this one's a little different. It's also the same decor, same sink setup, same mirror, same toilet, but they're kind of, I think, anticipating you have young kids with you. And so this one has a great big tub, great big deep tub, and this glass thing actually moves out of the way. So, but because it's difficult for me to get in and out, I mean, actually, one of the kids could take a shower in here at the same time as me. But it's gonna be, I can't get in and out of that very easy. And the makeup mirror and everything the same. A luggage rack again here. A full-length mirror again here. Same Europe light up map. It's like a Light Bright. That's what it reminds me of. Anybody have a Light Bright when you were a kid? Okay, big TV, the desk space. We have a lot of stuff over there by where Megan's sitting. We don't have an armchair. Do you notice that? We have this same bar storagey thingy, but we have 2 twin beds. So, which 2 twin beds is the equivalent of a king split apart. But we have bottles of water. I wonder if you're supposed to have bottles of water by yours and you don't.
I don't.
No, you have the glasses, but the bottles aren't there. And again, USB and plugs, UK socket over here and a USB, alarm clock, individual reading light, plus the regular light. So this is nice. And then on this side, phone, nice curtains. And same view. So there you go. Those are our 2 connecting rooms at the Hilton Heathrow Airport, London. It's just the regular Hilton. It's at Terminal 4. And it's room 178 and 180. This was our room tour. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you like travel content like this, like hotel room tours and other travel videos, be sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day, everyone, and safe travels.